Alright guys, well there you go. I just completed the bed there, and it's about a 10 by 3 foot bed, so altogether not too bad. Did it in about an hour. A little bit of hard work, but at the end of the day it was definitely worth it. That was one of my problem areas in the yard. I also put some mulch in that bed. But at that one area, just when you're watching the video with it, you can see the rock. It's just terrible. So I've been fighting that since I moved into the house, and pretty easy project. Shovel, an edger, and I used a little bed definer. It's actually really for removing sod, in about 3 inch strips. To kind of just edge that out. Hardest part's digging and taking care of that. So at the end of the day, this is something anybody can do, and just takes a little bit of extra work. This is the first time I've actually dug one out in my yard in the clay, and I have to say it was probably a lot easier than I expected it to be. I mean, easier in the fact that I didn't have huge rocks that kept me from getting it completed. So my plan is to put in a couple more beds, so I'm hoping to get that done here in the next probably week or two. I'm trying to prep for a party that we're going to be having at the end of May, first part of June. So just trying to get a lot of these little projects out of the way so I can focus more on the lawn as this Bermuda takes off. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'll show you kind of a quick time lapse of the whole project and how we got it completed. So enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.